People act like this housing crisis is some unfortunate accident, like the system just stopped working. But the truth? It was designed this way. So let's rewind. In the early 1900s, housing in America was survival of the fittest, left entirely to the private market. If you could afford it, you lived. If you couldn't, you didn't. Then the Great Depression hit. The market collapsed, families lost everything. And suddenly the government realized leaving shelter up to Wall Street wasn't going to cut it. Enter the New Deal. Public housing, mortgage insurance, the birth of the FHA. It sounded like progress, but that progress had a gate and it didn't open for everyone. Redlining wasn't a side effect, it was the strategy. Black families, immigrant families, low-income renters labeled as high risk by design. They were locked out of mortgages, locked out of neighborhoods, locked out of wealth. And it didn't stop there. We used zoning laws to keep density out. We used highways to divide communities. We built public housing, then stripped the funding until it crumbled. See, the problem isn't just that we didn't build enough housing. The problem is that we built policy on exclusion. We scaled inequality, we engineered segregation, and then we called it planning. Today's crisis? It's the echo of yesterday's decisions. And if you don't understand the blueprint, you'll never fix the foundation.